Hey guys, if you're getting the unexpected error message has occurred in Roblox and it says the app needs to quit, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix this. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the start menu on your computer and just search for run. Click on the run icon and then in the search box type in the word app data and then hit enter. From this folder, double click on local and then scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see the Roblox folder. Then you just need to right click on this folder and select the trash icon to delete it. You need to ensure that Roblox is fully closed down before trying to delete this folder, otherwise it's not going to let you delete it. The next thing we need to do is close out of here and head back over to the start menu, search for run once again and click on the run icon. This time type in the word %temp %, and hit enter, and then press Ctrl A on your keyboard to select all the files and folders, and then right click and select the trash icon to delete them. If you get this window pop up, select do this for all current items and hit continue, and that's going to go ahead and delete all of your temporary files. If some files or folders can't be deleted, that's absolutely fine. You can just close out of this window. Now what you need to do is come over to your desktop and right click on the Roblox player, select properties, and then click on compatibility. From here, make sure disable full screen optimizations and also run this program as administrator are both ticked, and then press apply and OK, and then you can double click the Roblox player to see if that's now fixed the issue. Now if that's still not working, the last thing that I would recommend doing is installing the app via the Microsoft Store. So you can do this by heading over to the start menu and searching for Microsoft Store and then clicking on the Store app like so. Then from here, using the search box, just type in Roblox, select Roblox from the list, and then go ahead and install the Roblox player directly from the Microsoft Store. If you already have the Microsoft Store version installed, then alternatively you can try going over to an internet browser and downloading the Roblox web version, because essentially there's two different versions of Roblox, one of them that you can install from the Microsoft Store and the other you can install directly from the Roblox website. So you'll just need to try the different client depending on where you've currently got it installed to. So now if you launch up the Roblox player, that should have now fixed any crashing issues you were getting. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.